Hello students, welcome to next lecture in Engineering Mathematics 2 video series. So in this lecture we shall be discussing the basic syllabus or the contents which are there in Engineering Mathematics 2. So please stay tuned with this video lecture. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please like our Facebook page Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. The links are in the description below. So friends, let's begin with the video lecture.
Friends, I'm going to explain or take the classes on this Engineering Mathematics 2. So in today's class, Introduction to Engineering Mathematics 2 means we will be discussing what are the topics you will be going to study in this Engineering Mathematics 2. Next. Module 1, Vector Calculus. So in vector calculus, students, in your earlier class you have studied about vector algebra. Means all basic things in vectors you have already learnt, like unit vector, and then null vector, then modulus of a vector. So different types of vectors already you have studied, and even I dot I, j dot j, k dot k, all those things. So here you will be learning vector differentiation. So under vector differentiation, first we are going to discuss about scalar and vector fields. You know already these things. What is a scalar quantity? That is called a scalar function, and a vector quantity is called vector field. And using these concepts like scalar and vector fields, we will be defining gradient, and from gradient directional derivative, then curl and divergence. So these are the topics we are going to discuss in vector differentiation. Now second part of this module is a solenoidal and irrotational vector fields. That is also defined depending upon your divergence and curl of a vector field. Then third one is vector integration. So here you will be learning line integrals, integrating a given function along the given curve or given line. Then some applications of line integrals are there, like theorems of on Green's, Gauss and Stokes, and their applications to work done by a force. So these are the topics you will be discussing in first module. In second module, it is about differential equations of higher order. Friends, already you have studied differential equations of first order and first degree in your 12th level, that is PUC level. So here you will be able to solve differential equations of higher order but of first degree only, higher order but of degree 1. So in that first one, second and higher order linear ordinary differential equation with constant coefficients, and you are also discussing about inverse differential operator. So with the help of inverse differential operator, it is easy for us to solve any given differential equation which is of second and higher order. In the second topic, method of variation of parameters. Here this is another new method you will be learning to solve a differential equation of higher order. Like that, Cauchy's and Legendre's differential equations are also another type of equations wherein you will be reducing these Cauchy's and Legendre's differential equation to the first type of problems, and we will be solving them. And in the third one, we will be discussing applications to oscillations of a spring and LCR circuits, that is depending upon the first topic only. So this is all about module 2. Friends, now we shall discuss about third module in your syllabus. It is partial differential equations. Students, you remember that in your earlier or previous semester you have studied about partial derivatives. So any equation involving partial derivatives is called partial differential equation. So what are the subtopics you will be studying here? First one, formation of partial differential equation PD is by elimination of arbitrary constants or functions. That is one type. Solution of non-homogeneous partial differential equation by direct integration. This is the second type. Now second one is homogeneous partial differential equation involving derivative with respect to one independent variable only, and solution of Lagrange's linear partial differential equations. The third subtopic in this module is derivation of one-dimensional heat and wave equations and solutions by the method of separation of functions. In module 4, we will be discussing about infinite series and power series solutions. Here the first topic we will be discussing on series of positive terms. Students, you remember in your earlier 10th class or so you have studied about progressions. So it is just continuation of that, arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression, all that we have studied. So here that arithmetic progression mainly we'll be using, and then we call it as arithmetic series, and then there are some examples based on that. So a series of positive terms, convergence and divergence we are defining. Then two tests are there, Cauchy's root test and D'Alembert's ratio test, and with the help of these two tests you will be able to test the nature of the series, whether it is convergent or divergent. Then second topic on this module is series solutions of Bessel's differential equation leading to Jnx, that is Bessel's function of first kind, orthogonality. So we are considering Bessel's differential equation and we are obtaining its solution, and that is in the form of Jnx. Then third subtopic is series solution of Legendre's differential equation leading to Pnx, Legendre's polynomials. Then Rodrigues formula and problems on that. In the last module, we are discussing about numerical methods. So here the subtopics are, first one, finite differences, interpolation, extrapolation using Newton's forward and backward difference formulae, Newton's divided difference and Lagrange's formulae. So these are the things we are discussing in the first subtopic. Second one, solution of polynomial and transcendental equations, Newton-Raphson method, Regula-Falsi method. And third one, numerical integration. So this is not the normal integration. Numerical integration means you will be using your calculator, and very simple problems are there on numerical integration. Simpson's 1/3 rule, 3/8 rule and Weddell's rule, and there will be problems on this.
So friends, that's all for today in this video lecture. So please like and share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to this channel and follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description below. Thank you very much.